We're 100% focused around the conversion of waste product into energy. Anybody can burn, you can start a fire. The question and the key issues are, how do you make that more efficient than anybody else?
So our solutions, they focus on waste products. So this could be waste from agricultural production, waste from forestry, waste from industrial process, and the potential is immense. And the more the population grows around the world, the more food we have to produce, and therefore the more waste there will be from this production.
Taking the biomass industry from a small niche source of energy into a mass industry is exactly what DP CleanTech's about. But that can only happen if the product that's available is highly scalable, is low cost, and is efficient. What DP CleanTech does is we drive down costs, we drive down delivery time, and we increase the certainty, making biomass as an industry more viable. We're right at the center of that, and that's what we spend our time doing every day.
Passion for boiler sounds strange, but this is a machine that creates a steam, and steam creates electricity. That's why we are all sitting here. That's how the world is driven.
The needs of our clients are to get good returns on their plants. A successful plant requires that you can run with high availability and high efficiency. The way we're achieving this is not to cut corners in our engineering. We have 25 years experience in handling these difficult biomasses and can cover the full range of waste streams, from the very easy waste like wood chips over to municipal solid waste.
DP technology is in constant development over the period of 40 years. We were one of the first to build the biomass plants, and this gave us a huge experience.
Now, 22 years later, we are back in Odense, where we commissioned one of the most advanced in the world.
Europe has the best engineering. However, that will not drive the biomass market to mass adoption. You need to have commercialization of products, standardization. There is nowhere in the world better at doing volume production than China.
National Bioenergy is the biggest biomass power generating company in China, even in Asia and the whole world. In the past 5 years, we only use the DP CleanTech biomass boiler.
Naturally, the DP solution can solve the energy problems in the small developing countries where normally the biomass and waste is not used.
It's a good opportunity for places like India or Africa to develop their rural communities, to have local power, and to not rely too much on imported fuel sources.
We have more than 200 employees in 6 different countries.
We have clients from all over the world. It's our mission to put everyone working in the same direction.
CleanTech back in 2010. I always worked with biomass since '92. So it's what I know, it's my knowledge. If you have the experience, it's much easier to actually enter conversations with clients, with suppliers. And so that's why I actually is in the business and will be here, I think, forever. There is a lot of fuels not being used. We have different fuels, of course. We have waste, we have straw corrosive fuels, and we have normal biomass. But there still is a lot of corrosive fuel out there that nobody actually is using. What makes us different is actually that we actually are able to use corrosive fuels in our boilers. We can see in some countries, like countries where they use the bagasse boilers, normally producers of these don't have the experience with corrosive fuels. So we have a unique positions here that we actually have all these references with straw and this, which is a corrosive fuel. So coming into these countries, and that's many times in third world countries, we have the opportunity to go there and use these fuels. Fuel is the most important.